Hello friends, in this video we will talk about a very important topic of JavaScript, which is closure. Closure help you to program in JavaScript using multiple callbacks, inner functions, different context, and this helps in getting access of all the variables which is existing in the global scope or in given context, and definitely the inside functions variable. So let's see with examples and the details of the closure. So you might have used functions and callbacks in JavaScript. Let's take a simple example. We have defined a function, let's say f1, and it takes a variable a, right, and definitely a callback. So let's call the callback cb. Now what this function does, this returns a callback passing this particular value variable like a. This is a very simple function in JavaScript. And let's see the definition of callback. Callback, again a function cb. Let's take this f2 and it takes a variable a and it consoles log hello plus a. Very simple function again, right? Now let's see if you call this callback function. So in our driver function, if we write this f1 with variable, let's say bk, which is a variable, and a callback function we are passing f2, right? Now according to you, what should be the output of this function? You are right, the output of this function would be hello and whatever we have passed as a variable bk. Right? This is the output. But have you understood how this a variable is passed in as an argument? Right? Let's extend this. Let's say this is C variable, which is asking a question, how are you? Okay. Now in this callback function, if we do after A, if we print C, now can you guess what should be the output of this function? And this is using the closure. The output of this function would be hello coming from here, A from the argument, and C, how are you? Now some of you are wondering how this C variable exists in another function, right? It is because of the magic of closure. Closure help to provide the context to this function. It passes all the variable which is lying outside of this particular function, plus any global variables that we have defined, if any, right? And definitely all the arguments and inner variable that we have defined in that particular function. This is very useful functionality of the JavaScript, because callbacks can run after some time, and by that particular time the execution of this f1 function, basically the parent function, can exit, right? Now how the variable's value will be accessed in this callback function is because of the closure. We can write different types of callback and functionalities. On some other video we will talk how benefits are callback or such other functionality. But in this video, let's understand and grasp the concept of closure. So I hope you got the idea of the closure, right? And let me know in the comment section in which particular code you have used this closure and what are the advantages that you have might felt about the closure. So this is all about the closure in this video. Please share this video with your friends and other colleagues. Please let me know in the comment section what other topics you want to see the videos on in JavaScript or any other technology. This is BK from Manikka signing off.